A new COVID subvariant has gained momentum in the past couple of weeks.
News 18's Marcus Truccio spoke with one health expert to see what's different this time around.
The latest strains of COVID are Omicron subvariants BA4 and BA5. According to the Tippecanoe County Health Department, the two subvariants accounted for about 20% of cases a few weeks ago. Now that number is around 70%, and the BA5 seems to be the more dominant strain. This is because it seems to be more transmissible.
It is more contagious, meaning that you'll get a higher viral load to get sick, and that simply means that it has this ability to evade our immune system.
Locally, hospitalizations remain low and official case numbers seem to only be ticking up slightly, but Dr. Loomis has an idea of why new cases aren't increasing more.
I know for a fact that we're having more cases than are being reported because people have these home test kits. So they're using the home test kits, and the home test kits are showing positive, but they're not reporting them.
He says that another way to determine COVID case numbers is telling a different story.
And I will tell you that the wastewater that we're using here in Tippecanoe County to identify viruses has shown a sharp peak. Okay, it's gone through the ceiling. But we're not reporting those number of cases. So what's happening is people are testing at home, testing positive, but not reporting it, but they still have to go to the bathroom.
One message that Dr. Loomis has for the community is to test intelligently, meaning there is no need to test unless you are feeling symptoms. And if you test positive, that's when you should call your primary care doctor for more guidance.
We're not out of the woods yet, especially in the older population and those that aren't vaccinated. But we've kind of developed this zero tolerance policy for COVID. If you test positive, you've got to isolate or you've got to quarantine. We're going to have this virus with us for centuries. And I think we have to decide how much emphasis we're going to put on a chronic state of not just feeling well.
Loomis adds that he does not see Tippecanoe County reinstating a mask mandate anytime in the foreseeable future. Reporting from Lafayette, Marcus Truccio, News 18.
And Dr. Loomis also stressed the purpose of current vaccines is not to prevent disease, but to limit symptoms and their severity.